Fairhaven Workshop is a building located in Champion, Ohio that helps and train people with special needs of all ages. They use many different pieces of technology to help teach and communicate with their clients.
We have iPads that we use regularly. We have them in every unit, and there's programs on them for the clients to use. One of the things that is pretty cool is we have some individuals who are hearing impaired, and we use a sign language app, and they've actually been able to teach other clients how to use sign language so that they can communicate with them as well.
I just use it just for entertainment stuff, just keep my mind busy.
It's a really good distraction for some of them. It helps them to be able to concentrate better, helps them to learn new skills, like the sign language. There's so many different programs out there, and it's really amazing to see how some of the clients who have autism that may be nonverbal, if you put an iPad in front of them and just show them how to use it, they pick it up and they're able to communicate better and learn new skills and play games and have a more meaningful day with their friends here.
Many of the clients work hands-on with different pieces of technology for many reasons. Fairhaven Workshop makes sure that when their clients leave, they are able to live and function on their own amongst their own community.
Basically more technology to help clients who can't communicate to be able to communicate better. Anything that we could get that would enrich their lives, technology is really good to help them to do that. I would also like to get some communication boards for nonverbal folks. It's actually a program on the iPad, but you can put in pictures of this environment, all the different aspects here, including pictures of their staff, and then if they have to go to the restroom, people who can't communicate can actually touch on that and show you what they want.
He has cerebral palsy, very limited verbal. He does understand a lot when we talk to him. We used to have some communication device. It was called a Mac switch that were working with him when he was in school yet. That helped him communicate.
Technology has gotten better over the years at the Fairhaven Workshop, helping clients communicate with the staff